working lovely. How's it going, everyone? So my rollerblind chain's come off its mechanism and is obviously now not working. As you can see by the crinkles on the rollerblind, I've been doing this for ages. Now I'm sick of it, so I'm going to finally fix it. So loads of people in the comments before asked, how do you even get the blind off the wall? And to be honest, there's so many different blinds, there's so many different mechanisms, and it's as to the manufacturer's instructions for that particular blind. But on my blind here with this mechanism, normally quite often with these ones there's like a little slider that holds a retainer to hold it in. I'm not sure if that's missing on this one or if this is how it's made. It's a really old blind, so it's in there sturdy like that. So then on my blind here I can lift it up like that and I can slide it off my bracket. Once that's off the wall like that, I can pull it towards that wall there. So then once it's out the other end, I can push it across and it comes off. Some of my roller blinds in the house have like a spring on one end, so when you push it, it compresses enough to allow you to take off the mechanism on this side. Some of them have that retaining clip I was talking about, and this one's like this for some reason. So I've took the blind off the wall. I'm just going to pull this mechanism out the end here, like that. So I'm not going to remove this safety clip from the wall. I've got enough length on my chain to reach a chest of drawers to fix. It's a really important safety device that has to be fitted to the manufacturer's instructions. So luckily I got a nice little setup here to fix it. As you see, I left it attached to the wall there. Right, so I've got a piece of card down here just to protect the surface. I found in the past these can be quite greasy inside. So I'm just going to squeeze these two end pieces together to pop the mechanism open. Take that piece off, and then I've got to slide up this spring here, which this little nib part sits between. They have to go back together like this, and to do that I'm just going to wiggle the bracket up. I'm not going to take it fully apart. So now it's in this position here. This plant is in the way. I'm going to lay my chain back over here like this. This is the fiddly bit, and then push that back down. So now that's in place. Push it back down like that. So now that's all back nice and tight. I'm just going to pop this back on, and that tab and those springs on my one here sit between these. So I'm just going to push that together like that. As you can see, that won't let it move, and then if I pull these, it will work. So now I'm going to pop it back on the blind, put it back up. So I think this is actually one I did a couple of years ago, the same mechanism. It feels familiar. So I'm just going to pop the mechanism back on the roller blind, put it all back together, same way I took it off, but in reverse. So there it is, all fitted back to the wall, back on its brackets. There it is, all working lovely. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.